Hey buddy, today in this video we're making Instant Pot or Carnitas. Let's begin. We're going to get the seasoning ready first. We'll need 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. It's 1, 2. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. There you go, that's 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. There you go, that's 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. 1 tablespoon of oregano. 1 tablespoon of salt. Take everything and stir it all together. Okay, it's looking good. I'm going to put that to the side. We have here some pork shoulder blade butt roast. And it's almost about 3.5 pounds. And let's cut it up. We're going to cut out the bone first. There we go, we cut out the bone. And we're just going to cut it into chunks. Just like that. Okay, we cut them into chunks and we're going to season it. We're going to take the seasoning we made and sprinkle it on top. There we go. Turn them over. Season the other side. Do the same thing. Apply the seasoning on top. Spread the seasoning out. And we'll save the rest of the seasoning for later. Okay, we're going to put the trivet in there. We're going to put in 1.5 cup of diced up white onions. We're going to put in 1 cup of orange juice. 1 cup of chicken broth. There you go, that's 1 cup. We're going to take the remaining seasoning and put it in. We're going to also put in 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. 1, 2, 3. We're going to squeeze in half a lemon. There we go. Now we're going to put in the seasoned pork. We're just going to put it on top of the trivet. There we go. We'll also put in half stick of salted butter. Okay, we're going to close it up. It's in the locking position. We're going to push pressure cook. And we're going for 40 minutes on high pressure. There we go. We're just going to let it preheat first. Okay, we're just going to let it preheat and we'll be back once the timer has started for 40 minutes. The red pin has gone up, that means it's almost fully pressurized. And now we're just waiting for the timer to start for 40 minutes. The timer has started for 40 minutes on high pressure and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 40 minutes on high pressure. We're just going to let it naturally release for 15 minutes and we'll be back. It's been 15 minutes on natural release. Now we're going to fully release the pressure. The red pin has dropped back down. That means safe to open. Wow, looking good. We're going to remove the pork. Oh, it's really tender. It's really tender, so we're just going to use a spatula. It's just breaking apart. It's so tender. We removed all the pork. We're going to remove the trivet. Next, we're going to remove the liquid and just save a little bit for later. Just pour some into a cup. There we go. Okay, we cleaned the Instant Pot. We're just going to put it in. And then we're just gonna push saute. While that's preheating, we're just gonna shred up the pork. We're going to take 2 forks to shred it, just like that. As you can see, it pulls apart really easily. It's really tender. Okay, we shredded up all the pork, and now we're gonna saute the pork. The Instant Pot is fully heated up. We're just gonna add a little oil, olive oil. Spread the oil around. And now we're just gonna add in the shredded pork. Only add the amount you're gonna eat. We're just gonna add in a little bit of the broth we saved. Okay, we browned up the pork, and let's remove them. There we go. We have here some warmed up tortillas that we warmed up in the microwave. We're gonna put some shredded pork on it. Next, we're gonna put some cilantro. Okay, this is what we have today: Instant Pot pork carnitas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.